The typical remedy for a breach of contract is damages, which is an amount of money paid. Damages put the injured party into the position that they would be if the contract had been performed. The injured party must show that they have suffered loss as a result of the breach and the amount of loss. The loss suffered cannot be too remote. This is where the court will apply what's known as the test of remoteness. The test of remoteness is in essence a test of foreseeability, and the loss will only be recoverable if it was in the contemplation of the parties when the contract was made. In some cases, the parties may have agreed in advance what the damages will be or what remedies would be available in the event of a breach. An innocent party does have to mitigate their loss. This means that they cannot recover loss for which they could have avoided if they'd taken reasonable steps. Another remedy is specific performance, and this is where a court will order the defaulting party to perform their contractual obligations. It's generally quite hard to obtain as a remedy and is usually only available if damages are not adequate. Injunction is another remedy granted at the discretion of the court. It is also awarded when damages are not adequate compensation. Injunctions are used when a defendant either needs to be stopped from continuing a breach or needs to be compelled into performance of its contractual obligations. The court will apply what is known as the balance of convenience test, weighing the benefit to the injured party and the detriment to the other. In any case, all steps should be taken to avoid litigation. If there is a dispute between the contractual parties, consider initial meetings, mediation, arbitration, or any other steps available to avoid going to court. Indeed, you can factor this into your agreement in what is known as a dispute clause, which can provide for agreed resolution processes in the event of a dispute arising.